Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Japan. So as you can tell, it is cherry blossom season, yeah, sakura season. This is probably, I would say, the best time to come to Japan, but it's also the most expensive and the most crowded time to come. But we are here. It's our day one. We landed last night in Osaka, and सुबह सुबह first day पे ही हमने already book कर दिया है हमारा चेरी ब्लॉसम पिकनिक एक एयरबीएनबी एक्सपीरियंस था
जिस काम के लिए आए थे सबसे पहले वो कर लेते खत्म फिर टेंशन नहीं
नहीं खत्म नहीं आई फील लाइक चेरी ब्लॉसम साइटिंग इज समथिंग दैट वी गोना कंटिन्यू डूइंग
डेडिकेटेड एक्सपीरियंस लाइक सबसे फर्स्ट थिंग सुबह के कितने 9 बजे हैं अभी हम ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे हैं
एंड एज यू कैन सी हमारे पीछे भी बहुत सारे चेरी ब्लॉसम्स हैं वी आर सो एक्साइटेड So step 1 is to come to Lawson and our guide's going to pick up whatever we want. Snacks, drinks, whatever that we want. Our group's back there. I don't know if we're gonna like it. So we just got done with our little Sakura picnic and I think it was so cute.
It was nice.
It was very short, very sweet, very cute. ज़बरदस्ती हमें इंटरनेट ने डरा के रखा है about how crowded it's going to be. Maybe it might be in Tokyo. But यहाँ पर तो बहुत अच्छा था and especially I feel like it's also the fact that वो हमें जो spots पर लेके गया था those
maybe
were
because he knew where he could navigate through the crowd.
Like literally it was just us sitting there and there was no one else other than us, like maybe one family other than us, but it was so quiet. We were sitting under the tree and like the sakura flowers were falling on us,
and the guide was really nice, very fun, chill, knowledgeable. Mast banda tha.
Totally recommended. He also got us drinks and food as you guys already saw. Now we're walking towards the Osaka castle. It's a 30-minute walk, but the weather,
Daddy has agreed to walk.
I walk when the weather's nice. The weather's actually really nice right now. It was raining, so carry your umbrellas. Yeah, we're just walking towards the castle now. So we saw everyone like holding these and drinking these, so we thought we should also pick it up and try it for ourselves. It's authentic green tea apparently. So it's basically green tea but like thanda, and it's very strong. Like if you like green tea, maybe you like it. It has a very prominent flavor of green tea. Like when you brew green tea, उतना flavor आता नहीं है. This is strong.
We made it to Osaka Castle. इसका एंट्री पास गेट गाइड से बुक कर दिया है. 700 rupees per person का है. Skip the line पास मिल जाता है. So you directly stand in the line with the QR code. And उसे स्कैन करके you can enter. Otherwise there's a long line.
Yeah, otherwise the line is pretty long. So would recommend just buying the skip the line. That's the view from the castle. Aditya just being Aditya, reading every single thing.
So collecting stamps is a big thing here.
Because they have lots of unique stamps. Yeah, go for it. So we've made it to Dotonbori Street, which is like the downtown main area. There's so much here and there are a lot of people. It's crowded here. ये हमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा flashback दे रहा है to Seoul.
Yeah, exactly.
Like the vibes, and we're going to be back here I think at night also, so we're going to get to experience the street both during the day and at night. Right now we found this place right here which has vegan ramen. Let's go and try it out. अपेरेंटली ये वाली बहुत ही डेडली बियर है यहाँ की. How is it?
It's nice, like a nimbu soda kind of beer.
I don't know how, but this happened. So कुछ भी plan नहीं था genuinely of luxury bag shopping या कुछ भी. But basically we came to understand that यहाँ पे vintage luxury shopping is like a big thing.
Yeah.
And we literally walked into a lane which just had shops
Yeah,
of
just सिर्फ वही शॉप से पूरा ले.
yeah.
And
So
then lavish.
एक नहीं दो लुई विता की बैग्स ली मैंने. दिस इज माई फर्स्ट टाइम बाय द वे बाइंग अ लुई विता बैग. उसमें से एक बैग आई हैव ऑलवेज वांटेड, लाइक द नेवर फुल हैज ऑलवेज बीन ऑन माय विश लिस्ट. और मैंने एक्चुअली सोचा था मैं 1 मिलियन पे लूंगी.
ऑलमोस्ट हो ही गया जो.
हाँ बट एनी वे, सो आदित्य एक्चुअली इज द वन जिसने मुझे पुश किया लेने पे. मैं तो नहीं लेने वाली थी ऑनेस्टली, मैं सिर्फ देख के मजे कर रही थी.
But the thing
ओके
is, these people actually have maintained these bags. You
Yeah.
can't even tell कि ऐसा किसी का use है whatever.
Yeah.
It's amazing quality,
बहुत
amazing
अच्छा
price.
है.
So why
Oh, the
not?
price was so good. I also ended up buying a cute little bag, which honestly I'm more excited about than the Neverfull also, because what a gem that I found.
Yeah.
इतना cute है वो bag.
So make sure to check these stores out because you might find something you like at a really good price.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all of them are in good quality.
Very
Like,
good condition. Yeah. So
तो मतलब अभी इतना महंगा ले लिया है इसने, तो मुझे भी थोड़ा फ्रीडम है अभी कुछ जरा आधे प्राइस का. तो
तुझे वैसे भी फ्रीडम है, जो लेना है तू ले
Yeah,
सकता
but
है.
then अभी मजा आता है.
आदित्य खरीद के भी क्या खरीदेगा?
Shoes.
हाँ, वो और पोकेमोन का सामान.
वो तो खरीदना है मुझे बहुत सारा. उधर पे मेरे को
Is
रोकना नहीं है रे बाबा.
is that why you made me buy all this?
नहीं, महंगे पोकेमोन हो गए फिर तो वो काफी.
What are we doing, Aditya?
Aditya be like, hi.
आदित्य को बहुत तीखा लग रहा है जापान का खाना.
मिर्ची दिखा.
Yeah, it's literally just mirchi with a little bit of chicken.
तीखा नहीं लगेगा तो और क्या.
But successfully Google Translate यूज करके हमने एक वेजिटेरियन इश डिश मंगाया था. So successful dinner. I love it.
Grapes खा लो फिर.
He doesn't like it. This is grapes. No, but the matcha is great. I don't know why, but at 12 a.m. we are going for more ramen. Apparently this is the best ramen. So Nikhil and Brinda have been here since the last 12 days and they think this is the best place, so we're gonna try it out. And guess what, we decided to wait in the queue. Maybe because it's so good.
हंसी मजाक में
3 बज गए.
3 बज गए.
It's 3 a.m. But it seems pretty like lively even in
Yeah.
Osaka. So we're wondering how crazy is it going to be in Tokyo. But it was fun.
It was fun.
It's very, again I'm going to say it, but it's very soul vibes.
very much.
But it's so
We
fun.
miss Adu में.
Yeah, we really do. I think it's great to come in a group
Yeah.
rather than just couple. I think couple में
Couple is
मजा
also
आएगा.
fun. Yeah, but group रहेगा तो और मजा
Group
कर
में
सकते
और मजा है for sure. See you guys tomorrow. Guys, this is what Osaka looks like at 3 a.m. So safe, full of people, very chill vibes. It is the next day. We've barely slept. We are exhausted. हमने थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ही कर लिया हमारे day 1 पे.
थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा पार्टी भी हो गया.
सब कुछ एक्स्ट्रा हो गया. And we are off now to क्योटो. ओसाका से क्योटो जाएंगे हम. So day 1 पे जो रात को हम पहुंचे थे, हमने फिगर आउट कर लिया था कि ट्रेन सिस्टम कैसे यूज करना है. बिकॉज हमें उबर में कितना दिखाया था,
20,000 कुछ
20,000 दिखाया था फ्रॉम द एयरपोर्ट टू आवर एयरबीएनबी.
और फिर हमारे 2000 में.
हमारे 2000 में, बिकॉज वी फिगर आउट हाउ टू यूज द ट्रेन. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डूइंग टुडे एज वेल. But today we're going to be taking the
बुलेट ट्रेन जो
Yeah.
15 मिनट भी नहीं 13 मिनट में पहुंच जाएगा
Kyoto, yeah. वो भी it's not like it's cheap, but it's definitely much cheaper than an Uber. अभी भी Uber दिखा रहा है 17,000.
17,000 and we booked the bullet train in some 5,000.
Yeah, so obviously
Big
big difference. Also हमारा जो Airbnb था ओसाका में उसके मैं थोड़े pictures pop up कर दूंगी. I didn't get a chance to show you guys what it looked like, but the location of that Airbnb
it's nice.
was prime. बहुत अच्छा था and the Airbnb in itself भी बहुत अच्छा था. चलो, let's go now.
Let's go. लगेज ड्रैग करते हुए जाएंगे ओसाका स्टेशन.
Of course, light packing, we just don't understand what that is. So, let's go. मेरा तो भी too bad नहीं है. Aditya has both the big bags. I'm literally seeing this with you guys for the first time. So, यहाँ पे I think is the washroom. Okay, just the toilet. Here we have the little kitchen. And then this is the bedroom. Cute, not bad. Hello. I think bathtub है यहाँ पर, हाँ. Okay. I don't know why, but it's a thing where there are a lot of like double beds in Japan. Like it's just a thing. यहाँ पे बाहर एक छोटू balcony भी है.
Hi guys, welcome to Adi Camp. It's just me Abhi for the samurai class. Mother is not feeling well, so she's back at home resting. It's a 10-minute walk from our Airbnb. So yeah, I'll just grab a few clips of how it was and tell you guys more about the experience in a bit. I just got done and it was amazing, a very great insightful session. The sensei is also really smart, well informed and amazing, like talented. He's mastered all the skills. So it was a good experience. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who's interested in this kind of a thing. Abhi, I'm going back to the Airbnb to check up on my wife and then maybe we'll catch some dinner and call it an early night because tomorrow we might have a plan to visit the Nara Deer Park. So let's see.
Welcome to day 3. All well rested and ready for the day. It is, as you can tell, a very rainy, gloomy day, and it's a cold day also. For some reason, coming into this, I was like, this is going to be a nice summer vacation.
Yeah.
And here we are in our leather jackets, in our turtlenecks. It's cold. So we've made it to Nara. काफी हमने पैसा वेस्ट किया. In the sense,
हमें लगा कि जो सबवे वनडे पास उसमें ये कवर्ड रहेगा. तो हमने वो लिया पहले, फिर देखा ये कवर्ड ही नहीं है.
तो टिकट वेस्ट. उसके बाद हमने एक और टिकट ली जो नारा तक की थी अपेरेंटली, बट आई गेस नॉट. तो नारा पहुंच के
तो ट्रेन हमने दूसरा वाला लिया है.
कुछ तो हुआ एंड देन वी हैड टू पे अगेन.
मतलब नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव स्टिल. इतना सब करके पर पर्सन 1000 रुपीस हुआ.
या नॉट बैड.
नॉट बैड
बट आई थिंक इट्स अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस. लाइक ऑब्वियसली हाँ वो तो है, बट ठीक है. ओह, आई कैन ऑलरेडी सी द डियर्स. ओके, सो वी कम अ लिटिल बिट लेट. कितने बजे अभी? आई थिंक 2. हाँ ओके, 3 बज गए. सो ऐसा बोलते हैं कि यू शुड कम अर्ली बिकॉज वो जो डियर की कुकीज़ होती है वो सोल्ड आउट हो जाती है apparently. I don't know, we'll see. If you can see, there are literally deers just crossing the road. How cute. The deers are literally just chilling with us, waiting to cross the street.
कमर दुख जाएगी. चल.
Wait, stay.
इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा कर रहा है.
यार ये तो पीछे ही पड़ गया. आदित्य, मम्मा. No.
कुछ तो कहना चाह रहा है। Yeah.
Okay, fine. Just have one. You can have one more.
वो कब से मुंडी झुका रहा है।
I'm not gonna get over. So cute.
Hey.
Oh no, Aditya just got attacked. आदि आराम से।
ये वाला तो देखो, खेल के खड़ा है। उसको सिर्फ बिस्किट चाहिए, उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा।
कर वापस कर। That's Adi and me, just sitting and judging everyone from afar.
जगह भी बिस्किट नहीं है मेरे पास।
अरे भाई गो अरे यार
नहीं है मेरे पास। भाई भाव करेगा? भाव ही नहीं देगा। कुछ नहीं, तेरे पीछे आया एक।
Hey bro. मम्मा। So कैसा था ये एक्सपीरियंस?
मस्त है, टाइम पास है, बहुत डियर है, तो भीड़ रहेगी तो भी तुम्हें डियर मिलेंगे। दे साइड के बिस्किट सेल आउट होते हैं जल्दी, बट हम तो 3 बजे एंड थे।
काफी थे बट दे ऑल्सो हैव बीन सेइंग दैट द डियर्स आर अग्रेसिव। आई मीन थोड़े अग्रेसिव नहीं, बट लाइक obviously they're hungry for the food, so they like chase you around,
थोड़ा नज करेंगे।
but I cannot
एक बच्चे को हेडबट मारते देखा।
हाँ वो था, but also I cannot get over how they actually know on cue to like bow down. It's बहुत cute है like,
but definitely you have to come here, it's a different experience। बहुत मस्त है, टाइम पास है।
and they're literally like coexisting with you, like they're crossing the road with you, they're chilling in the middle of the road, they can be anywhere in this area.
Yeah, it's a very big park। भी क्रॉस करना है, मतलब बहुत बड़ा जगह है, बहुत लोग हैं, बहुत डियर है, तो टेंशन मतलब आ जाओ, मजा आएगा।
अब रियल चैलेंज शुरू होगा,
लंच के लिए जगह ढूंढना।
This is where we have decided to go have lunch at. So हमारे पास ये पेटेंट एक चीज़ ऑलरेडी होता है हमेशा, that we ask for everything, and Aditya eats chicken, so chicken है यहाँ पे, and और भी खाना आ रहा है।
मतलब सीफूड भी खा लेता हूँ, बट मूड नहीं है तो
मतलब मेरे लिए हो मेनली वो वाला प्रॉन। तो हमारा टोटल हुआ कुछ 2400 yen, which is not bad. I think pretty good for our lunch.
ऑफ कोर्स फोटो बूथ दिखते ही घुसना कंपलसरी है। फाइनली हम गू पहुंच गए हैं। पूरा माला, यस, दिस होल फ्लोर इज फुल ऑफ गू, मतलब गू का फ्लोर है ये, मतलब वही
ब्रांड ऑफ यूनिक्लो।
ओह, बट बहुत बड़ा स्टोर है। सो होगी अभी भारी शॉपिंग।
Clearly, we're really enjoying the shopping process more than me, someone else is. ये सारे कपड़े जो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर, mostly 90% belongs to him.
70%।
So damage is done, but बहुत ही एक cool चीज़ जो हमें पता चली है शायद वो है कि यहाँ पे खुद से ही स्कैन हो गया, तो यहाँ पे there's like a plate जिससे ऑटोमेटिकली सब कुछ स्कैन हो गया है, we think।
समझ नहीं रहा, उसमें से बास्केट रख दिया और उधर तो ऑटोमेटिक
स्कैनर्स है ना उसमें, मतलब अपने
बट ऐसे कैसे तो चीजें रखी रहेंगी उसमें, सब स्कैन।
लिविंग इन द फ्यूचर।
अच्छी
ऑन आवर वे फॉर डिनर, बट ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ आके अगर आदित्य ने पोकेमॉन्स नहीं पकड़े तो कहाँ पकड़ेगा? पकड़ा कि नहीं एक भी?
एक पकड़ा ना, मस्त।
Which one was it?
स्लैकिंग करके इवॉल्व करना पड़ता, डायरेक्ट इवॉल्व वर्जन ही मिल गया।
Good morning. It's a good morning because I found these finally strawberry, ki blueberry, ki green.
स्ट्रॉबेरी।
Now we've reached our location number 1 for today. What are we doing?
We are going to do a kimono photo shoot today. So we reached the kimono place where you have to select a kimono. They'll get us ready in it.
Do my hair, everything, full.
Yeah.
And then photography.
The photographer will take us to locations, do a photography, couple photography for I think 60-70 minutes, and from there. Come back. You can actually wear the kimono till 6 o'clock if you want. But I don't know if we'll be doing
No,
that.
I don't think we will.
Yeah.
But by the way, did you see this place right next to the kimono store? It's an Indian restaurant.
It's an Indian Nepali restaurant.
But we're going strong on not having Indian food क्योंकि मिल रहा है खाना ऐसा कुछ
Yeah.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है.
They're customizing it according to how we want it, so not an issue.
And just like that, we are all ready, bro. Like मेरा जो hair किया है, it's
मस्त किया.
insane. Like it was so fast and so beautiful. I think the whole process from start to end took us an hour.
Almost 1.5 hours.
Yeah, not bad at all. We're just waiting for a photographer. In the meanwhile, let us give you a full outfit, OOTD. This is what Aditya looks like. They've given us chappals also, by the way. एकदम samurai look में है आदित्य.
That's how Mridul's looking. Very pretty.
Look at the bags.
Yeah, there's a flower. There are 2 flowers in her hair.
So basically the scene is that जो basic उनका package है, that is very basic. So obviously I ended up spending more, like the hair. I got an umbrella. फिर और क्या? नहीं बैग तो is included.
पीछे जो फ्लावर है वो.
हाँ पीछे जो extra flower है वो. So all in all, we ended up spending this much.
Including the photo shoot.
Including the photo shoot, of course. We'll tell you by the end of it if it was worth it or not. We are done with our photo shoot. The locations where our photographer took us were really cool.
Yeah.
बहुत ही beautiful
Good
थे सारे
background.
जगह. Right now I'm not saying anything about our experience until we get the pictures.
Yeah, I mean you can't judge it properly till we see the photos.
Yeah. Now we're just gonna roam around this area because it's so cute. There
Yeah.
are so many shops. There are so many places to eat. So we're just gonna do that now. We've come to this place in Kyoto. This has vegan ramen and Aditya के लिए भी seafood में options है. So it's perfect. Literally ordering ramen from a vending machine. So basically ऐसे coupons निकले हैं जो हमें काउंटर पे देने हैं. This has everything that we've ordered. Again we have a live kitchen situation. So that's my veggie bowl, vegan bowl actually, and scallops without pork. Checked into the Airbnb. Hello, and we are in Tokyo. So basically हमने decide किया था कि ये वाला जो हमारा trip है, we wanted to be a nice balance of like doing a lot of touristy things but also like vacationing. So that's what we've been doing because we don't want to go home feeling more tired and wanting another vacation. So yeah, that's what we've been doing. This morning we took it super slow. हमने 7-Eleven से breakfast खाया और अब हम जा रहे हैं
लंच करने
to
a ramen place.
another ramen place.
वेजिटेरियन ऑप्शन भी देता
हाँ
है.
वेजिटेरियन ऑप्शन भी आदित्य के लिए भी ऑप्शन है. आज भी काफी चिल्ड है बट शाम को वी हैव अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग experience activity that's booked for us. You guys will see in just a little bit. If you come to Tokyo, this is something that's very popular here. So that's what we're doing.
तो crazy discipline है. Everyone stands एक के पीछे, leaving the right lane open for whoever wants to go quicker. भाई civic sense और discipline 100 है इनका.
So हम आए हैं अफूरी. आदित्य
Hoping कि यहाँ पे मिल जाए अच्छा रामेन.
मेरा तो प्रॉपर वीगन रेनबो रामेन है. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. आदित्य इज अ लिटिल टेंस्ड.
Moist soft chicken लिखा था. It can go either ways.
अच्छा वरना आई हैव अ गिफ्ट फॉर यू दैट कुड मेक इट बेटर.
Yeah.
Magic masala in my bag. Do you want it? This is what my bowl looks like. It actually looks काफी promising. someone has put their non-vegetarian ramen aside and is eating my vegan ramen.
अभी तेरा broth gravy है अच्छा तो है अच्छा.
So basically, I feel like if you're coming to Japan, and even if you are a non-vegetarian, we've experienced this in Korea as well, wherein Mayur Bhai and Aditya, even though they eat hardcore non-vegetarian, यहाँ का they cook it a little bit less, like it's medium rare cooked rather than well done. Like अपने यहाँ properly पकाते हैं यहाँ पे they like the taste of it being a little bit less cooked. So वो taste आदित्य को नहीं obviously अच्छा लगता है. So do bear that in mind. I would suggest कि of course try the non-vegetarian.
एक बार try कर लो.
Yeah.
But once you try it, you'll get an idea if you like it
or not. And then you can always have vegetarian food and vegan. अभी vegan culture इतना बढ़ गया है that there are a lot of vegan vegetarian places, which is a good thing. It's time to take another train. And where are we going? Tea ceremony where we get to also make and see how authentic matcha is made, essentially. Two trains and a little bit of walking later, we've made it. Sorry, it's cold, which is why the. How was it?
It was nice. It's a fun experience.
Would you recommend it to someone who comes to Japan?
Yeah, I mean, one time you have to do this because you get to see how the authentic matcha is made. You get to taste it. So,
I really enjoyed it, and actually, this was Aditya's proper time trying matcha, like authentic wala, and he liked it.
Yeah, it was nice.
I think
authentic is nice. I don't know बाहर कभी जो हमने खाया था क्यों पसंद नहीं आता.
मतलब उसमें एक मतलब ये बहुत माइल्ड और बहुत अच्छा था ये बहुत अच्छा था ये matcha and in general all the different teas were interesting, let's just say that. But I think this is something that you should add to your bucket list or list when you come to Japan क्योंकि यहाँ के लिए tea and matcha is like a big thing. So now we're gonna take 2 trains again and go to Shibuya crossing. बहुत पॉपुलर है यहाँ का. How many people cross at the same time?
बहुत सारे. इतना नंबर नहीं मालूम but
बहुत सारे करते हैं.
Busiest crossing in the world.
Okay, so that's where we're going. Just got done with dinner, so हम try करते हैं रोज कि हम एक Japanese food खाए, which is ramen most of the time, and एक कुछ भी like cuisine except Indian. अभी तक हमने Indian food नहीं खाया, and I don't think खाएंगे, but you never know.
अभी तक sushi भी नहीं खाया है.
But sushi
raw fish.
Yeah.
So I am not sure अगर वो पेट को जमेगा नहीं जमेगा. I don't want to fall.
मैं तो नहीं खा पाऊंगी. Maybe you maybe still could.
Maybe last day के around या कुछ.
I don't think last day is a good idea. Maybe day before last day. But anyway, now Aditya's just figuring out how to get back to the Airbnb.
Morning rituals of going to 7-Eleven to get smoothies for the both of us.
A1 breakfast. Hello, so we are out and about and I'm literally sitting right under the Tokyo Sky Tree, which is like one of the tallest structures in the world, and it looks very, very nice. So we're just gonna go up there, have a look at the city. Honestly, I wouldn't come here if it was just me, but Aditya really likes to see stuff like this.
It's called doing touristy things.
Yeah. So चलेंगे. अब ऊपर हमने ऑलरेडी टिकट बुक कर ली है फ्रॉम गेट योर गाइड.
Not sponsored, guys.
Let's go.
Also, don't forget to check out Maddie's outfit. उसका स्कर्ट इज सर्कस का तंबू, पूरा प्रॉपर टेंट पहना है उसने नीचे स्कर्ट में. दिखाना सबको.
आदित्य को ये बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा ना. Basically, you can see the entire city. This view is now really reminding me of the time that we did skydiving. Literally, the world looks so tiny. It looks exactly like that, minus all the wind getting in your eyes, nose, hair. It's very pretty, of course. Okay, so Skytree मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा सा पका हुआ है. It's literally right here behind me. So I feel like there's not much to do basically. You just go, you look at it, you can't even take pictures because it's so crowded, and that's it. There's literally nothing else for you to do. But I think if you're here, might as well. So अब हम जा रहे हैं सेंसोजी टेम्पल. बेयरली हमने उबर्स लिए ये ट्रिप पे. हम थोड़ा सा रश में है बिकॉज वी हैव अनदर थिंग प्लान्ड एट 5, सो वी नीड टू रीच ASAP. बट एक्चुअली सेंसोजी टेम्पल तक भी रूट वॉज प्रीटी ईजी.
कनेक्टिविटी बहुत अच्छा इन लोग का. एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड टू एवरीथिंग.
बट वी जस्ट नीडेड टू रीच ASAP. तो हमने उबर बुक कर लिया. यहाँ पे उबर चलता है एंड इट्स एक्चुअली नॉट टू बैड लाइक फॉर स्मॉल डिस्टेंसेस. ये वाला कितना हुआ?
आई थिंक कुछ
500 INR हुआ फॉर 10 minutes का जर्नी, राइट? सो या वी गोइंग टू द सेंसोजी टेम्पल. वहाँ पे अपेरेंटली फॉर्च्यून और वो सब भी मिलता है, वो स्टिक पुल करके. आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट. वीव मेड इट बट इट्स super crowded. Probably the most crowded place so far that we've been in Japan. Like just look at the number of people here. Okay, so सबसे पहले 100 yen डालना होता है अंदर, and then you shake this thing, pull out a stick. क्या नंबर आया? 93. Find your number in this. Okay, आदित्य को मिल गया 93. एक शीट निकालना है उसमें से.
Good fortune. If there is no water in the pond, many fish will die in it. Throwing them into the water, they will get refreshed again. As there is a barrier against your wish, good fortune does not seem to be smiling upon you yet. Be patient. If you have a trouble, eventually everything will be alright. Your wish will come true. A sick person will take time in getting well. Lost article will not be found. The person you are waiting for will come late. Building a new house and removal is not always good. It is good to make a trip. Both marriage and employment are good. काफी रैंडम, काफी ये है, बट मैं से गुड फॉर्च्यून लिखा तो उस पर खुश होके चल रहा हूँ.
So I have regular fortune. Okay. So thousands of soldiers obey you without failure to order, and dignity to the general. All soldiers, even to the far distant countries, will be the same by your order. To get win or lose are unknown while they attack the enemy's castle. Show why the great honor is defeating the enemy. This really doesn't make a lot of sense. By the way, if you get bad fortune, you just tie it here to like get rid of it. बेसिकली ये टेम्पल में ये सूवेनियर की जैसे आप किसी को गिफ्ट कर सकते हो. जैसे दिस इज़ फॉर गुड हेल्थ, दिस इज़ फॉर वर्क, एजुकेशन, healthy birth, like everything they have, and this makes for a really good souvenir. So we've picked up quite a few for our family. Now that was nice. Itna like positive vibes tha, and everything was explained in English. So like we could read and understand what to do, where to do. So highly recommend.
Vibe और positivity बहुत ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे, तो definitely make sure you check this out.
It was fun. So हमारा जस्ट साके टेस्टिंग हुआ एंड ऑनेस्टली ओके था ये, मतलब बुरा नहीं था, बट वी हैव डन बेटर वंस इन द पास्ट. लाइक वी डिड अ सोजू टेस्टिंग इन साउथ कोरिया एंड दैट वाज सो फन. ओके था ये. आई फील लाइक देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट पीपल हु डू साके टेस्टिंग, सो मे बी ट्राई अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. नाउ वी आर हेडिंग बैक होम. सो आई लव हाउ we in the evenings we usually end up working because India is 3.5 hours before us, so we can get so much work done, which I love. So we're just heading back home right now, and I think that's basically it for today. Okay, so change of plans. Our meeting got cancelled, so we are free to chill. So we're going to, where are we going?
Shibuya.
Shibuya main station पे जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या करेंगे. We'll just figure out whatever we want to do. But I do want to say two things about the subway station here, because it's so cool and it's so well designed. So एक तो हमने गलत टिकट खरीद ली थी गलती से आज, and हमें पता चला that you can actually get a refund, and we got a full refund on the spot. बिल्कुल भी difficult नहीं था. And then the second thing is this fare adjustment machine right here. So this is the fare adjustment wala machine. So in case you want to go even ahead than the ticket that you've gotten, so you can just pay the amount, like the upar ka amount here. So you don't need to take a fresh brand new ticket.
There's a reason they say Japan lives in the future.
It really does.
Also guys, don't forget to check out Noodles Food. नीचे लिटरली सर्कस का तंबू पहन के आई है स्कर्ट के नाम पे.
यहाँ पे it's a thing, like I've seen girls wearing these kinds of skirts. It's a little off even for me, but I'm just trying to dress like them because
Oh my
I'm
God.
here almost.
मुझे तो बहुत फनी लग रहा है पर ये क्या है
Whatever. आदित्य को यहाँ पे कितने टाइम से आना था? Basically ये पूरा store ही ये है. I'm not sure what it's called. I'll pop it up on the screen.
I got Adu.
Look at what I got. It's a miniature eyeshadow palette that can also be a keychain. It's so cute. And then the empty capsules you can put in there. Mera bhi dal de please. Hello, welcome to the next day. Today is going to be Aditya day. Whatever he wants to do is what we're gonna do. So सबसे पहले we're going to shop. There are these pair of sneakers that he's been wanting, so वो करना है. Then we're going to this Harry Potter thing by WB World, and then Pokemon something. Basically, full on Aditya day. Adi has been eyeing this yellow pair for a while. Price देख के देखते हैं कितना. We have no idea how much it costs. Oh my god, I love them. Looks so nice. But I guess हम दोनों ही ले रहे हैं ये same matching sneakers. It's done. Please comment below if you want Aditya to do his own haul, because at this point he's shopped more than me. Maybe in my haul you can come in for a segment. Comment down below if we should do that. Okay, we've made it to location number 2.
3, 2, 1, pokazeyo.
So that was insane. अगर आप पॉटर हेड हो, you have to come here.
Cannot miss this.
Oh my god, like I was not expecting this. मुझे लगा एक छोटा सा स्टोर होगा जहाँ पे 2-3 इंटरेक्टिव चीजें होगी.
but
This is like full
non
fledged.
proper sets है. Like everything is life size.
Yeah, and
You
it
actually
felt
feel,
like you were in
that
Hogwarts.
in the Hogwarts, in the Wizarding World ऐसा. So check
We
it out.
went
But
to-
4 to 5 hours तुम निकाल के
हाँ
आओ.
हाँ हाँ
बहुत
हमने
time
एक्सपेक्ट किया
लगेगा.
था कि 1-2 घंटे में निकल जाएंगे, but it took us half our day.
Yeah, 4 hours.
We've been to the one in New York, and oh my god, this is just like 100 times better than that one. Like we thought that was amazing.
Yeah.
Now coming to this one, bro, like epic. बहुत अच्छा ही है. Now, where are we going?
अपना सामान लेने.
And then,
And then we might go to Akihabara to
Okay.
buy some Pokemon figurines and all, and then camera या कुछ लेना है तो वो
Yeah.
भी यहाँ पे. It's like the electronic hub यहाँ का.
yeah, exactly. As today is Aditya's day, so whatever he wants, we're gonna do that.
यहाँ का दादर टाइप स्टेशन है, बट लाइन में सब
सब
शांति से
लाइन
रुके.
में खड़े हैं, proper single line में.
So we are at Akihabara right now. This is basically the electronics hub of Japan. If you are into anime, if you are into Pokemon and all of those things, you have to give this place a visit. Or if you want electronics, तो भी यहाँ पे आ सकते हो. It's a nice lively place. One time visit कर सकते हो, देख सकते हो. कुछ पसंद आया तो आप ले सकते हो यहाँ से.
We've made it to a Pokemon card store, I guess. एंड आदित्य को आई गेस बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Mahodik 8,98,000 yen.
And I gave in too and shopped quite a bit. Another day of 15,000 steps. काफी ज्यादा शॉपिंग. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम?
अभी फाइनली डे 8 पे इट्स टाइम फॉर इंडियन.
Indian food. Hello. So today is probably going to be the most scenic, most beautiful days out of our entire trip because we are going to see Mount Fuji. So हमने ये experience book किया है from Get Your Guide. Of course, all the links are going to be mentioned down below. So we're going to be visiting 4 different spots today to view the Mount Fuji, and there are lots of cherry blossoms where we are at. And honestly, just have a look. It's so beautiful. I think just the views and the montage will do the job. So that was our day. What do you think? Was it worth it?
100% वर्थ इट. बहुत अच्छे स्पॉट्स पे लेके आए ये लोग. यू कैन सी माउंट फ्यूजी वेरी ब्यूटिफुली फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ द स्पॉट्स.
From different angles.
Different angles, but obviously make sure you check visibility of Mount Fuji before you book this, because there are a lot of times when you book this and it's very cloudy, so you're not able to see anything.
Yeah, so Aditya will make sure to link down below. There's a website where you can check the visibility on a date. And also another thing worth noting is that यहाँ पे 4 spots cover होते हैं, and all 4 of them are super. I don't want to say rushed because obviously there's a specific time जिसमें उनको चारों
Yeah,
cover
they need to
करने
stick to
हैं.
that time. इसके लिए तुम्हें हर spot पे roughly like 30-40 minutes max मिलते हैं, which is okay, but अभी ठीक है, एटलीस्ट तुम्हारे spots हो जाते हैं, फोटोज वगैरह निकल जाता है, आराम से घूम फिर सकते हो थोड़ा बहुत.
Yeah, but
fun.
yeah, do bear in mind like जब आप जैसे आप normally अकेले travel करोगे अपने convenience के हिसाब से वैसे नहीं कर पाओगे.
it's a group
thing.
it's a group trip.
Yeah, but I think 100% recommend. I think today was the most beautiful day. Like it was almost like dessert for the eyes. So gorgeous.
Everywhere cherry blossoms, Mount Fuji सब जगह से पानी दिख रहा है, झाड़ दिख रहा है, बहुत बहुत सुंदर.